Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I want to answer a question by one of my our lovely family members here, who asked me how often should I water my aloe vera plant, and how do I know I should water my aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plant doesn't do well when the container that you use to plant it is waterlogged. It works well in higher temperature between 55 and 80 degrees Celsius. So it doesn't really work well at low temperature, so it will not do well when it's waterlogged. So how will you know that your aloe vera, especially indoor, I'm talking about indoor gardening tip now, because I do a lot of indoor gardening. I haven't really started my outdoor gardening yet. So if you are planting indoor like me, your aloe vera should, the soil should be totally dry before you add more water. You don't want it to be watered. Like I said, the soil of this is still soft, it still has water in it, it's not dry yet, right? So you don't need to, at this stage, you don't need to water it. You don't want to water it too much, okay? And also, the standard is water it every 3 weeks. So I watered this yesterday, so I don't have to water it until the next 3 weeks. So make sure you have a calendar, okay, that you know that you would not water it until the next 3 weeks. And also make sure your container has a drainage hole at the bottom, okay, just like this. The hole at the bottom should, okay, it should have a drainage hole just like this at the bottom. This will facilitate the removal of excess water, okay, from your aloe vera plant. So keep that in mind. Make sure at least every 3 weeks, and when you have to water it, just water it lightly. Do not add too much. Do not soak it in water. It may dry up if you soak it in water. So just water it lightly. Let it be every 3 weeks. So let's say if I want to water this now, I will just lightly on top, I'll just add a little bit of water around it, okay. Water it lightly at the top, because it has because it had a drainage, okay. This has a drainage, I don't have to worry too much, but you don't want to over water it, right? Light water, a little bit at a time. You don't want it to be drenched in water, okay, for indoor gardening. So indoor gardening, a little bit of water, not too much. You don't want it to be drenched. Just see the way I did it, and that's all. You don't want it to be drenched in water, and that's perfect, okay. That is how to water your. Some people will tell me, oh no, I need to put more water. No, don't. You're going to waterlog your aloe vera and it will not do well. And make sure the drainage at the bottom can get rid of excess water if there's any. But I don't really overwater my aloe vera plant. That's why they grow really well and healthy and green. So take this from me. After watering it today, wait for the next 3 weeks to add a little bit of water around it also, okay. You don't need a watering can. Any container that has the sprout, okay, this type of mouth will do, so that you'll be able to put water in strategic places, especially when the soils are dry. As you can see, this soil is not dry, everything looks well, okay. And that's it. Do not do any further thing. That's all you need to make your aloe vera plant happy. And also remember, light, aloe vera like light, so make sure you put light. Make sure you put it where you can get constant light. If you cannot put it, if there's no light coming from the southern window of your home, right, or any even window of your home, you can also buy artificial lighting from Amazon, from even from any store, any home hardware store. Get artificial lighting, at least a minimum of 40 watts, okay, and set it on your aloe vera plant, and you see it happy and radiant. And also make sure you use a good potting soil. That is a video I did a while back, so I'm going to upload that video. So maybe I might have uploaded at this time you're listening to me. So check on the channel for how to make your home potting soil so as to grow your aloe vera or other indoor plants very well. Thanks for watching.